Would you say that right angle bends always cause signal reflections in high-speed traces?
I'd hate to say always, but they definitely are challenging. I mean, if you look at like an EM simulation typically of a right angle, you'll see like the energy doesn't evenly flow across the bend. So, typically you'll kind of put some curvature to it and maybe pinch it a little bit. But in general, that's something to be cautious of.
Okay, great. And then next one. Ferrite beads are effective for reducing EMI in high-speed designs.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty common you're going to see ferrites in everything. It's been a while, but I would say that I think that's more going to help you in some of the low-frequency noise, but you will always see some element of ferrites.
Ground pores around high-speed traces always improve signal integrity.
I wouldn't say always. I would pretty much never say always.
They can be a source of noise.
Yeah, sure. I know, like if you have things where you have like really high-speed digital signals that require a lot of current to spike up quickly, they'll pull up the ground,
Right.
and then make a big mess.
Plus, the unterminated ground pores can act like antennas.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Adding more decoupling capacitors can improve power integrity.
They can. Doesn't necessarily mean they will, but yeah, I mean, decoupling caps are pretty important.